welcome to another episode of Blind Unboxings. Today I have a turntable, and this is the Sony PS-LX310BT, and that is a mouthful and a terrible name, but nevertheless, it is what it is. And this is pretty much a fully automatic turntable. So I am curious to see how it compares with my Fluence RT81 turntable. Alright, so first thing we have here is the dust cover, and it looks like something is... Come on, I don't want to rip you all apart. It's taped on here pretty good. Man. So, let's see, let's look at this first. Actually, you know what we could do is just cut this. It looks like we're gonna have a, you know what, screw it. I didn't want to destroy the packaging though. Haha. This looks like a felt mat, but let me take it out and see. So I do not like how they package this, by the way. It's not user friendly. So Amazon said that this was delivered on Monday, and it said it was in a safe place. I'm like, oh, that's cool, good for them. You know, maybe they put it in my on my porch, at the back stoop, I don't know. And it was nowhere to be found. And so I was getting a little bit concerned. That's like this is interesting. Almost like a nylon mat. Set that aside. Set this aside. That's a mess. And I was getting a little bit concerned, but I was like, you know, rarely does Amazon lose my package. I don't know if I've ever had that happen, knock on wood, but it did arrive on Tuesday on my front porch. So I don't know what they consider a safe place, but it wasn't at my house. I'll tell you that right now. Huh. It's plastic, a dust cover, but it's thick, it's heavy, got some weight to it. This package has a decent amount of weight to it as well. I like to see that. Here it looks like it's going to be some cabling. Power cable. Put that down there. Okay. Looks like we're at the plinth. Oh, and there. Well, yeah, you got the platter itself. Next, we're going to have the plinth, some of the tone arm assembly, and those types of things. So, where's the best? Okay, it's open here. This is a plastic plinth, but it's a heavy duty one. I did look at the Audiophile LP60, and that thing was so lightweight, it was just crazy. All right, so here it is. The motor. The belt's probably somewhere down in there. Here's your tone arm. It's like it's got a tie down. I won't mess with that right now. You get the idea. Is that the speed maybe? Probably. Okay, so these are the buttons. Interesting. There's the buttons here for your speeds and things like that. Now, the first thing I'm going to notice here that I do not like is an attached power cord. And is there a... Because I'm curious if this has a... It does not have a grounding screw terminal on it. So that means you are stuck with using the built-in preamp. As far as I know, So, and on here you do have USB. This is supposed to have Bluetooth as well. Got some dials here to dial things in there. That stinking attached RCA cable. It's not a bad cable. I just don't like attached cables. If you need anything longer, you're gonna have to get an extension. I don't know, power terminal, power button. Nice heavy duty. I think on this model, you are gonna be just kind of stuck with the included cartridge and stylus. The stylus might be changeable. We'll see. We'll see as I delve into a little bit more. I am going to review this unit. All right, so that's kind of the plinth. Not sure what that little wobbly button is there, but I do not like it. Probably like, I bet that's the reset. Yeah, probably for the automation. Maybe it's the play button. We'll find out and take a look at it. Are the feet adjustable? It looks like no. They have a little bit of give to them, but I don't think they're going to be adjustable. We'll find out. I'll get a screwdriver after these and see if they do screw down. That'd be kind of cool. All right, so I'm going to set the plinth out of the way. Not just the plinth. It's got the motor assembly, and it's got, oh boy, lots of stuff. Tone arm. Get these out of the way carefully. Okay. Here's the instruction manual packet. Rather thick packet of information here. Set that aside, set it down there. And last but not least, I do believe this is the last piece I've seen here. We have the platter. This is a nice, heavy-duty metal, which means, you know, it's not going to break, and it's of good quality, but some say that lighter is better for turntable speeds. I'm not sure about that, but I do like this platter. You can hear it there. The belt is already in there. I'm guessing there's a way, yeah, so you can grab that to put it on the peg for the motor. Yeah, so this is a belt-driven turntable. I will check and see if there's anything else in here. I'm guessing that's about going to do it. Platter mat cover. Yep, we just have styrofoam left in there. All right, so that's going to do it for this Sony turntable. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. All right, remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.